What if I told you that the strength of your legs could predict how long and how well you'll live? Sounds extreme. It's not. Weak legs are one of the earliest signs of accelerated aging, and most people ignore it until it's too late. In this video, you're going to discover exactly how to rebuild leg strength, boost your balance, and protect your independence, using simple, proven strategies anyone can start today. Let's get into it. Most people think aging just means getting wrinkles or feeling a bit more tired, but what no one talks about is how dangerous weak legs can be. In my opinion, this is one of the most ignored warning signs of serious health decline. The truth is, when your legs start getting weaker, your whole life begins to shrink. Your independence, your confidence, your ability to enjoy even the simplest things, like walking in the park or climbing stairs, starts to disappear. And what frustrates me is that society accepts this as normal, but it's not. It's a silent crisis. People don't realize their legs are weakening until something bad happens: a fall, an injury, or the scary feeling of losing control of your own body. Did you know that falls are the leading cause of injury-related death in adults over 65? That's not just a number. That's someone's father, mother, or grandparent. And in many cases, it could have been prevented. From what I've seen, this decline doesn't start at 70 or 80. It starts much earlier, often in your 30s and 40s, when people stop paying attention to how their body moves. They sit more, move less, and don't realize their leg muscles are slowly fading away. But here's what I want you to remember. This is not your destiny. Weak legs are a signal, not a sentence. And once you understand what's happening, you can change the outcome. Here's something most people don't know. After the age of 30, your body naturally starts to lose muscle, about 3 to 5% per decade. That means by the time you hit 60 or 70, your strength can be cut in half if you don't do something about it. And let me be clear, I don't believe this is just aging. This is what happens when your muscles aren't being challenged. It's a classic case of use it or lose it. What's really going on inside your body? It's a condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and function. But it doesn't stop there. Your bones lose density, your joints get stiffer, and perhaps most importantly, your nervous system becomes less responsive, which means your brain starts having a harder time telling your muscles what to do. This is why you start feeling unsteady on your feet, or like you don't trust your legs anymore. I've seen it happen in people who were once active and full of life, but little by little, they stopped moving, and their body responded by shutting down strength and stability. And I'll be honest, that decline scares me more than a few wrinkles ever could, because we're not just talking about physical appearance. We're talking about losing your freedom, the freedom to move without fear, to go where you want, to live life on your terms. But here's the empowering part. Your body wants to stay strong. It just needs the right inputs. And that's exactly what you're going to learn next. So now that you know what's happening inside your body, let's talk about how to take control. Because yes, you can rebuild strength even if you feel like it's too late. And no, you don't need a gym membership or complicated routines. Here's a 3-step plan I personally believe everyone should follow, especially if they want to stay mobile, independent, and full of energy as they age. Step 1. Eat for strength, not just to feel full. In my view, most people don't have a diet problem. They have a nutrient problem. Your muscles can't grow or stay strong if they're starving for the right building blocks. So here's what you need. Protein. Aim to get it in every meal. Eggs, fish, beans, Greek yogurt. I eat them daily. Not just for my muscles, but for recovery and energy. Omega-3s. These healthy fats from foods like salmon, walnuts, or flax seeds help fight inflammation and protect your joints. Calcium and vitamin D. This combo keeps your bones strong. You can't have strong legs if the frame holding them up is crumbling. And please, don't forget water. I can't count how many people feel weak or dizzy simply because they're chronically dehydrated. Muscles are around 75% water, so if you're not drinking enough, you're literally draining your strength. Step 2. Move with purpose. Build strength and balance. If you're not moving, you're losing. That's a fact. You don't need intense workouts. What matters is consistency and targeting the right areas. I recommend starting with body weight squats. Just a few per day can wake up dormant leg muscles. Calf raises, simple, underrated, and essential. I do them while brushing my teeth. No excuses. Balance drills. Stand on one leg for 30 seconds, then switch. Add a soft surface or close your eyes to level up. And here's one most people overlook: rebounding. Jumping on a mini trampoline. Sounds silly? It's not. It's low impact, improves circulation, strengthens your legs, and honestly, it's fun. I personally love it because it feels like I'm doing something good for my body without forcing myself through pain or boredom. Step 3. Daily habits that keep you young. This this is where most people drop the ball. They try to do everything in 1 week, burn out, and quit. What actually works is building simple habits into your routine. Go for a 20-30-minute walk each day. No phones, no excuses. Stretch your legs before bed. It helps with recovery and sleep. Prioritize rest. Muscles don't grow when you train. They grow when you recover. In my experience, it's the little consistent actions that bring real results, not extreme diets or weekend warrior workouts. And if you're thinking, I don't have time, let me say this. You don't have time not to do this. Your future self is counting on you, and the effort you put in now will repay you every single day for the rest of your life. Coming up next, I'll show you one specific area of your legs that acts like a second heart and how strengthening it can completely change how your body feels. But first, just a quick reminder. If you've made it this far, let me just say, you're not like most people. Most folks click away the moment they hear something uncomfortable, but you're still here, and to me, that says a lot about you. It tells me you actually care. You're serious about your health. You're not just hoping to age well. You're choosing to take control of it, and that's rare. So if you're finding value in this video, do me and yourself a small favor. Hit the like button so more people can find this information, and subscribe if you want to keep learning simple, science-based ways to stay strong, independent, and sharp as you age. This channel isn't about hype. It's about giving you tools that actually work. Let's keep going. There's a muscle group almost no one pays attention to, but in my opinion, it's one of the most important for your long-term health. Your calves. Yes, those muscles down by your ankles. They might not look impressive in the mirror, but let me tell you something shocking. Your calves are like a second heart. Here's what I mean. Every time you walk, jump, or even flex your foot, your calves help pump blood back up to your heart. That's right. They support your circulation, especially through the veins in your legs. And as you age, if your calves are weak, your blood flow suffers. That's when you start getting swollen ankles, heavy legs, or even varicose veins. From what I've seen, this is one of the most overlooked causes of discomfort and poor mobility in older adults. And it's completely avoidable. You don't need expensive treatments. You need movement. You need to train your calves just like any other muscle. Here are a few simple exercises I personally do and recommend to everyone. Calf raises, easy, quick, and effective. Start with both legs, then progress to one. Stair climbing, not only for your calves, but great for your glutes and heart. Rebounding, still one of my favorites. It naturally activates your calf muscles every second you're bouncing while protecting your joints. When you take care of your calves, you're not just strengthening your legs, you're improving your circulation, your balance, and your overall vitality. And honestly, I believe people don't get old because of their age. They get old because they stop jumping, moving, and trusting their legs. Let's not be those people. So, let's bring it all together. You've just learned that weak legs aren't just a fitness issue. They're a warning sign, a signal that your body is asking for help. But instead of ignoring it, now you know exactly what to do. You know which foods fuel strength. You know which exercises protect your mobility, and more importantly, you know that small, consistent actions are what truly make the difference. In my honest opinion, the biggest mistake people make is waiting until it's too late. They wait for the diagnosis, the fall, the pain. But those who stay strong into their 60s, 70s, and beyond, they prepare. They make choices today that their future self will thank them for. So if this video helped you, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this content matters. And if you want more honest, practical strategies to age strong and live well, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you here. And hey, if you've been struggling to lose weight, feeling like nothing works anymore, I've got something for you. There's a special link in the description that leads to a private presentation. It reveals the truth about how the weight loss industry has been misleading people for years, and how a simple, natural trick could finally help you reduce stubborn fat and feel like yourself again. It's not hype. It's not some scammy shortcut. It's something I genuinely believe people deserve to know, and it's helped thousands already. Check it out, and as always, stay informed, stay strong, stay healthy. See you in the next video.